Welcome back guys to another money-making video. Today's world is full of opportunities, but if you're only depending on one source of income, you're missing out. The real power lies in combining online hustles with offline hustles. Think of it like having two engines on your bike. One may slow down, but the other keeps you moving. Together, they give you unstoppable speed and double profit. Online hustles give you scalability, global reach, and passive income potential. Offline hustles give you local trust, stable daily cash flow, and personal customer relationships. Together, they create a safety net. If one side is slow, the other supports you. Imagine you run a small coffee shop. Offline side, you sell coffee daily, get steady earnings, and build loyal customers. Online side, you make Instagram reels showing your coffee making skills, promote offers, and even sell your own branded coffee beans online. Now your shop not only earns offline but also becomes an online brand. You reach people outside your area, and one viral reel can double your sales overnight. Offline side, you train people at your local gym, charging Rs 500, Rs 1000 per session. Online side, you start a YouTube channel, upload workout tutorials, and sell diet plans on your website. Now you're not limited to your city. Someone sitting in the US or Europe can pay for your online fitness plan. Offline gives you stability, online gives you scale. A street vendor selling momos or snacks can, offline side, sell to customers on the street every day. Online side, share menus on WhatsApp groups, take pre-orders, and deliver through Zomato Swiggy. Result, more customers, higher profit, and you look more professional than competitors. Start with what you have. Do you run a shop, gym, or cafe? Build an Instagram page or WhatsApp catalog for it? Do you already work online? Try selling something offline in your local area. For example, a freelancer selling digital services can also teach workshops locally. Leverage content creation. Record your journey, products, and services. Post them on YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn. People love behind-the-scenes videos. Offer both payment methods. Offline customers pay cash, UPI. Online customers can use UPI, PayPal, or digital wallets. Build cross-promotion. In your shop, put a QR code linking to your Instagram, YouTube. In your online content, showcase your shop to build credibility. Keep adapting. Use data. Which products sell more online versus offline? Adjust accordingly. Daily stability from offline work. Huge growth potential from online side. Builds a brand that customers can trust both locally and globally. Long-term wealth creation, not just daily earnings. In 2025 and beyond, the winners will be hybrid hustlers. Those who mix offline stability with online scalability. Don't choose one. Combine both. Sell offline, market online. Serve local, reach global. Remember this formula. Online plus offline is double profit. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and hit that subscribe to AI Hustle Hub for more hustle videos. See you in the next video.